I'm Andrew Aziz, the author of the book, How to Day Trade for a Living. I'm going to walk you through my live trades on Tesla stock, which made me $65,000 in a morning trading session. But what you should focus on is not the profit figure. I want to emphasize why I took the trade, how I managed my position, and a game-changing trading tool that I used, Market Atlas Order Flow. If you are serious about trading, please pay attention to how I read and react to the level 2 order flow when I day trade.
Today, it was really nice. One trade on Tesla and TSLL that turned out to be the biggest trading that I had so far in 2026. As you know, I passed the $10 million mark. It was really amazing, and I'm really grateful for every single one of you who actually followed my trading journey. So let's go through the trading that we had today. There's only one single trade with the help of a tool that we had, and we call it the Market Atlas. So the Tesla is gapping down a little bit, but really squeezed up. Let me bring my pen as well. So really squeezed up at the open, and with the help of Brian, obviously at the chat room we trade together, Brian went long here for break of 1 minute opening range breakout. So he went long here, and this is the previous day close. So again, we are red here, and then we are green. And Brian had a much better entry at around 440 for me, but I kind of looked around to see if I can go in there. I have to check Market Atlas, and I realized that at the previous day close, 445, we had a huge order, very big ask sitting here, and the big ask is a very good signal that the market is going to go toward that higher. So here's it. I have the screenshot here. So again, by the time that I took the screenshot, 935.34, by the time that I went long and I added more, you see this huge signal of 445 standing up there. And this is a really good sign that the market is really going toward this big order. So the Market Atlas, there's also a lot of education that we have on the Market Atlas and how to read that. And again, let's take a look at the date. Just take a look at the time here. I took a couple of screenshots here. So what happens at 9:36? Still the 445 is there. Still I haven't partialed. One of the reasons that I had a really big profit today was I didn't partial. I really needed to get to 445. And again, another screenshot, boom. The 445 is taken, and now the orders are to 446 and 448. So see, they took the asks up higher. So after we took the 445 here, it's just continued, ripped higher, and then now I was hoping to get 448. So that's amazing. So as you see, I started partialing a little bit here, but I knew that it's going to go higher. So what else do we have? Again, 448, boom, towards 448 and 449. Now orders are going to 449. So see, Market Atlas is telling us exactly where the price is going, and you can partial based on that as well. And then all the way up to 450. So I see, just boom. This is the same trade. So I went long. I actually added more on that, and then not only we get the red to green, and then boom, all the way up to 450. And a lot of traders are traded that. This is Amen. So Amen again, took a really nice screenshot from 450. And long like me, added more on the red to green, boom, it's going up significantly higher. So say easy. So just read the price action, read the Market Atlas, and then you can see. So you can also trade it with TSLL. TSLL is a 2 times leverage, so it's way more capital efficient. Like for example, if you guys are in a funded account, instead of trading Tesla, you can trade TSLL. So I traded similar to TSLL as well. So long all the way up to 19, TSLL 0. I added more a little bit on TSLL here for the break of high of the day, and then it went up all the way up to boom, 1930. I had some orders here that I didn't get filled. So as you see here, I had some orders here that I didn't unfortunately get filled. So I'm gonna cancel them, and I probably might actually keep these little bit of the shares that I have for tomorrow. See, maybe gapping up tomorrow. Market made all-time high. Same as Tesla. Tesla again, I added more on Tesla as well. So went up, significantly higher for all the way up to 454. That was an amazing trade that we did on Tesla. So again, in the 5 minutes, we did a really nice 5 minute opening range breakup, red to green, and with the help of Market Atlas, we added more here all the way up to 455. So it's great trading day. So Market Atlas has been really a game changer for my trading and so many of our traders that we have in our community. And without Market Atlas, is actually very, very difficult for me to trade right now. It's coming through Trading Terminal, and you can check it out. And if you really like it, you can just use it, and you can come into the chat room, and you can see my screen, what you're seeing right now. You can actually trade it. So just as simple as that. And we actually have a trial right now. Then you can actually come and check it out in the chat room. Just leave in the comment trial, and I actually send you a link and code. We trade this live in the chat room that you can trade. Just leave a comment trial, and just trade with us. So the importance of daily chart and how you actually break out on a daily chart is something that is worth discussing. As you see here, NVDA, a very big profit we had toward that, and on a daily chart we were gapping up. Yesterday we were gapping up, and it was really ready for essentially breakout toward 185.68, which was the moving average, 50 moving average on a daily chart. We also had this level back in December 2nd that we bounced back. So if we were going through this 185.68, could we go to 187.92 as well? So that's also another level that before the market actually opened, we looked at these levels and we said, okay, potentially we can go toward those areas. All right, so let's see what happened on the market. Again, yesterday was a really nice gap up day, and today the market was gapping up a strength. Quickly look at the daily chart and see what are we actually having on a daily chart. So I remove all of the daily charts. So this is what you see. You're coming here, and you want to see, okay, this is a level, and then obviously this one matches the moving average on the daily chart as well. See if you can actually get this breakout that you are expecting. Market Atlas helps a lot. So as you know, guys, Market Atlas is something that we look at the levels. At the market open right now, there's huge orders stacking up at 190. Even the market's closed, but tomorrow morning we can actually go toward that. And then at the open, we have so many of these education that the big orders are like whales. That the price is going toward that. So go to 1 minute chart and see what's going to happen here. So as you see here, let's go through 5 minute chart. We had a really nice from 183 all the way up to 190. But let's go through the trade management or 1 minute chart. At the open very strong, so the volume was really strong. And then I went long for opening range breakout, dropped, I got a stopped out. I wish I didn't get a stopped out because we really never lost the VWAP. And then I went back again, long, added more, went up, and then it didn't partial. I really wanted to get to 185 because we had a really big order at 185, and then came down, I got a stopped out. So that's the second trade that I did. I got a stopped out. So again, this one was the trade. This was my second trade, and I wish I was actually partialing at. I was so close to 185 because it was a huge ask staying at 185. But I came back up. So I went back up as soon as came back up, squeezed back. I went back up. I added more, and then we did break toward 185, 186, all the way up to 187. Held it all the way up to the afternoon toward 187.90, and as you see here, just continuously going up, and the last piece at 188.77. And I think actually, as a matter of fact, I think I might have still some. Yeah, I think I still have a little bit of shares left here on NVDA. So here it is. So I have a little bit of shares left at 1,000 shares left on NVDA. So went up all the way up to 189. I might actually keep this one for tomorrow because tomorrow might gap up.
Trading Terminals funded trading program. One of the traders, Vinay, sent us an email about his progress. I want to review his performance in the funded account with you guys.
81%, the win rate again, 50-50. The largest win 1,500, largest loss 600. That's good. He kept his ratio really nice. Average winner 238, average loser 176. That's good, but I should keep this ratio 2-to-1. That looks good. Average winner loser 1.3. And yeah, nice. So he did a very nice profit for the funded account. Good, congratulations. So he says they pick up the book 3 years ago, started the journey, a couple of years to learn, go through the content. Was part of bootcamp as well. And very nice. So now see this funded account paying for all of his education, like the book, BBT, bootcamp, courses of Lenny and Paris. Yeah, that's $6,700 probably he spent on his education, and now he's just getting paid through that. Congratulations.